In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Amazon Subscribe and Save and stop item subscriptions. If you're finding yourself with too many automatic deliveries piling up, or simply want to take a break, I'll guide you through the process step by step to manage those subscriptions effectively. First, let's navigate over to Amazon's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com in the address bar. Hitting enter will lead you directly to their homepage where all the magic happens. Once the page has fully loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on it to begin the process of accessing your account. To move forward, you'll need to provide your email address in the designated field. Carefully enter it and then click on the continue button. Make sure your email is accurate to avoid any hindrances. Following this, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Do this and then hit the sign in button to gain access to your account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find your subscription settings. On the Amazon homepage, direct your attention to the navigation bar at the top of the screen. Hover your mouse over the account and list section. Doing so will display a drop-down menu with multiple options. From this menu, find and click Subscribe and Save Items. This will navigate you to the section related to all your subscription activities. In the new window, you'll see the option to shop the Subscribe and Save store. Click on this to view all your active subscriptions. If you're following along and have a subscription set up, it will be displayed here. The next thing to do is to select the specific subscription you wish to manage. Underneath each subscription, you'll find an edit button. Click on this button to access more details about your subscription. This section will provide all the necessary information that you might need. Now scroll and look for the option that says cancel subscription. Clicking this will take you to a new step where Amazon will ask for a reason behind your cancellation. Choose the option that best fits your rationale, as this helps Amazon enhance their service. Finally, after selecting your reason, you'll see an option that reads cancel my subscription. A simple click on this final button and your subscription will be cancelled. Remember, keeping your subscriptions updated as per your needs ensures a seamless and stress-free Amazon shopping experience. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully cancelled your Amazon Subscribe and Save item subscription. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.